If your Outlook isn't syncing with Pipedrive, yeah, that can break your workflow. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can follow in 2026. First, check your internet connection, because if it's unstable, syncing between Outlook and Pipedrive can fail. Next, go into your Pipedrive settings. Disconnect your Outlook account, then reconnect it to refresh the connection. Now check your Microsoft account permissions. Make sure Pipedrive still has access to your Outlook data. If not, remove and reauthorize it. Make sure email sync is turned on inside Pipedrive. Sometimes it gets disabled, and that stops all incoming and outgoing sync. Now check your Outlook settings. So make sure no rules or filters are blocking emails from syncing properly. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or try using another browser. Yes, sometimes the issue is just local to your browser. And that's it. These steps should fix most Outlook syncing issues with Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.